Dun, 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 dun.
Drop dummy, dummy, dummy.
Yeah, look, this is for that girl that just hurt me. This is for that girl that just hurt me. I ain't tripping over nothing, man. Fuck that bitch. I ain't talking. I'm really stepping. Ain't no talking about it. Ain't no fucking talking about it. I told her I know I'm the one that did wrong, but if I have time, I'll go back to my baby mama. Ain't tripping about it. Yeah, trip dumber. Fuck that hoe that just hurt my heart. Ain't no talking about it. I'm steady sipping lean out that little cup. Doubling the cups. Ain't no talking about it. Yeah, ain't no talking about it. The name of this song, ain't no talking about it. Yeah, I'm tired of being hurt. I hurt so many fucking girls. This goes out to the females that I hurt. I'm sad for hurting y'all. I knew I was doing wrong. And all I wanted was to spend my money and take care of my child. But once again, I was wrong for that. I should have did what I had to do to take care of y'all and my child. Yeah. This goes out to that fucking female that just hurt me. Fuck that bitch. Tell her I got that hoe. But my beat still go hard as fuck. Ain't no talking about it. Trump got me. Yeah, cause that goes out to that fucking female that I done hurt. And this female just hurt my heart, but I ain't tripping. Tell her who I got her, and I ain't tripping. Yeah, I'm tired of being hurt, and I'm going like myself up tomorrow. I'm done with all these fucking females in my life. But like I said, all I wanna do is get my life together and take care of my child. That's all I'm fucking worried about. Ain't no worrying about no other fucking people. I'ma take care of my mama, take care of my dad, and take care of everybody in the house to New York. Fuck the living in Lafayette in Louisiana. Take all my fucking family members with me if I have to. Fuck it. I ain't talking about it no more. I'm done with it.